Hi lovelies, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you this simple, quick and easy Indomie recipe with you all. It's so delicious and you are definitely going to love this recipe. And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do subscribe, hit that bell also, and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Alright, so to begin with, I will start by cooking my Indomie instant noodles. So to a pot, I've added in my water, add a little bit of oil to it, cover it and allow it to cook very well. And so for this Indomie recipe, I'll be needing the onion chicken flavor. You can use any flavor at all for this recipe, or you can use any spaghetti or Indomie brand of your choice. Okay, so after 5 minutes of cooking, the water is all ready now, so I'll add in my 5 packs of Indomie, cover it and allow it to cook. Remember, Indomie doesn't take a long time to cook, so as you cook your Indomie, remember to check it from time to time. And after 2 minutes, I go ahead and check it and it's not ready, so I covered it again, allow it to cook for extra 1 minute, and it was all done. At this point, you can just strain out the water from the Indomie and allow it to cool down completely, or you can just add it to your stir fry right away. Okay, so now let's set this aside. Alright, so next we're going to begin by stir frying our veggies. Okay, so to a pan, I've added in a little bit of oil and I'll go ahead and add in my chopped or diced sausages. You can use any meat or protein of your choice. Okay, so I choose to add in some sausages and I'll also add in some canned beef. Feel free to use any meat of your choice. Okay, so after 1 minute of steaming the sausages, I added in my onions and I'll allow it to release its flavors a little bit. And for the canned beef, this is the brand that I will be going for. Feel free to use any brand of your choice. I didn't use all this canned beef. Okay, I used about half of it. If you really want sweetness, why not go ahead and use all of it? Okay. All right, so I added in my green bell peppers and my chopped carrots. Okay, stir everything together and allow it to loosen up a little bit. I love crunchy vegetables, so I won't stir fry this for a long time. Okay, so about 5 minutes now, I will go ahead and add in my canned beef and I'll also add in some chopped cabbage. Feel free to use any vegetable of your choice, and I'll also go in with my Indomie seasoning. The seasoning, you can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay, feel free to express yourself in your own unique way. I'll also go in with my chili powder to give that hotness a little bit. You can omit this process if you don't love too much pepper in your stir fry or in your Indomie instant noodles. Now stir fry everything together, and since it is stir fry Indomie recipe, there is nothing like over stirring here. Okay, so at this point I was tempted to taste this delicious stir fry, and guys, this was super delicious. I hope you're going to try this for your rice, for your yam, and you are definitely going to love it. Right, so that was just by the way. The cabbage has also loosened up a little bit, so I will go ahead and add in my Indomie and I will stir until everything is nice and well combined. Alright, so be gentle with the stirring process so that your Indomie stir fry will come out very beautifully, just like this. This is looking so delicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Just let me know in the comment section what you think about this stir fry Indomie instant noodles recipe. My family asked for more, and I hope your family will do so as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and stay blessed.